Welcome back, folks. In today's video, we're diving into the world of woodworking and DIY projects as we explore the best Orbit sanders on the market in 2023. We're excited to share our top picks with you, so let's get started. 3M Xtract. First, we put the 3M Xtract Electric Random Orbital Sander through its paces, and my immediate impression is extremely favorable. To begin with, its ergonomic form and lightweight construction make it extremely comfortable to use for extended periods of time without strain. The 5-inch sanding pad has a large surface area for effective sanding, and the orbital action gives clean and consistent results on metal and woodworking tasks. This sander's central vacuum technology not only keeps your workstation clean, but also improves dust collection efficiency, resulting in a healthier and more pleasurable sanding experience. The 110V 350W motor provides enough power for a variety of jobs, and I was especially surprised by its constancy even under heavy load, while the tool's slick black finish gives a professional touch. In the end, this 3M Xtract ROS 88758 is a flexible and dependable sander that meets the demands of both metal fabrication and woodworking, providing precision, comfort, and dust control, making it a perfect addition to any workshop or job site. DEKOPRO. Next, the DEKOPRO Random Orbit Sander with 2.5A of power has lately been put through its paces, and I can tell with certainty that it is a really effective and adaptable sanding tool. I was immediately delighted by the presence of 16 sandpapers, which is a wide selection that guarantees you're well-equipped for diverse sanding operations. The flexibility to choose from 6 different speeds up to 14,000 RPM gives you tremendous control and versatility, allowing you to adjust the sanding speed to the exact material and project at hand. The 5-inch hand sander tool is easy to hold and manipulate, reducing user fatigue during prolonged usage. The high-performance dust collecting system, which efficiently maintains your workstation clean and reduces airborne dust particles, contributes to a healthier working environment, is what truly stands out. This function is especially useful for interior projects or situations where dust control is critical. Overall, this DEKOPRO Random Orbit Sander provides exceptional performance and adaptability, making it a vital addition to the toolset of any DIY enthusiast or professional. VEVOR. Moving on, the VEVOR Random Orbit Sander has greatly pleased me with its performance and intelligent design. At the heart of this tool is a powerful 3A 350W motor that provides enough power for a wide range of operations, from heavy stock removal to precise finishing work. Its 6-speed options provide versatility, allowing you to change the sanding speed to fit the unique material and project needs, reaching up to an astonishing 13,000 orbits per minute, OPM. This level of control is invaluable to woodworkers and detail-oriented artisans. What's more, its 2 hook-and-loop sanding discs are also included as a useful feature, ensuring that you always have the appropriate abrasive grit on hand to handle various projects. The ease of quick and easy disc replacements contributes to the overall use of this sander, as well as the vacuum connection is a noteworthy feature of the VEVOR sander. It's a game-changer for keeping your workstation clean and dust-free. The efficient dust collection system not only maintains the atmosphere clean, but it also keeps your work surfaces free of dust and debris, which is essential for obtaining accurate, high-quality results. This function is especially useful for people who operate indoors or in limited locations where dust management is critical. While the 5-palm sander design is ergonomically pleasing, allowing for continuous usage without significant user strain, the tool's balanced weight distribution and well-placed controls improve overall usability and make it a joy to use. GoGonova 3.0A. Following that, my recent experience with the GoGonova 3.0A 360W Orbit Sander made an indelible impact, and it stands out as a dependable and powerful sanding equipment, especially for woodworking projects. The The 3.0A 360W motor is a true workhorse, providing an impressive blend of power and accuracy. What actually distinguishes this sander is its 6-speed settings, which provide a broad range of possibilities for adjusting to various materials and project needs. The GoGonova sander can handle both forceful stock removal and delicate finishing work. The hefty quantity of 15 sandpapers is a welcome surprise, ensuring that you have a selection of grits to tackle a wide range of surfaces and jobs without having to replace them frequently. This extra convenience saves both time and money, making it a great bargain. The dust collector and vacuum adapter are two outstanding features. While many sanders accumulate dust, the GoGonova goes above and above to ensure a dust-free working environment. The excellent dust collector successfully catches particles, and the vacuum adapter ensures that even the finest dust is swept away, giving you a clean workstation and a healthy working environment. Moving on, the WORKPRO 5-inch Random Orbit Sander has been nothing short of spectacular. This sander is designed specifically for woodworking, and it excels at providing both power and precision to your sanding operations. It is powered by a strong 2.5 amp motor and has 6 changeable speeds ranging from 7,000 to 14,000 RPM. This wide range of speeds guarantees that you have the ideal setting for every project, whether vigorous material removal or subtle finishing touches are required. The dedication to efficiency and cleanliness of this sander definitely jumps out. The inbuilt dust collector is a game changer, efficiently catching dust and debris to keep your workspace clean and your workpiece visible. This is not only a convenience, but it is also essential for keeping a healthy environment and delivering clean finishing products. Another notable feature is the presence of 15 sandpapers, which provide a wide assortment of grits to fit diverse surfaces and purposes. This saves you time and effort by eliminating the headache of seeking for the proper sandpaper or continuously renewing your stock. The WORKPRO sander is ergonomically constructed with user comfort in mind. Its balanced weight distribution and intelligent control placement offer a comfortable and fatigue-free experience even after extended periods of work. This improves the precision and control of your sanding chores. DongCheng DSA125. Last but not least, we have the DongCheng Random Orbital Sander, and my experience with it has been pleasantly surprised. This 5-inch sander has a 3.0 amp motor and can achieve rates of up to 12,000 OPM, making it a dependable and effective tool for a variety of sanding chores. Its user-friendly design, beginning with the cozy grip, is what makes it stand out. This ergonomic handle allows you to operate for extended periods of time without feeling severe hand fatigue, allowing you to keep accurate control throughout your tasks. As well as its dust bag is a useful addition that will help you keep your desk clean and reduce airborne particles. While it may not equal the effectiveness of vacuum-based systems, it does make a considerable impact in keeping the area neat. Likewise, the 10-piece sandpaper set is an excellent addition, as it ensures that you have a variety of grits easily available for various surfaces and jobs, increasing convenience and saving you time and effort. While it is not as strong as other higher amp sanders, the DongCheng sander is acceptable for most woodworking and DIY chores. With its multiple speed settings, you may adapt the sanding speed to your exact demands, from harsh material removal to precise finishing. Thanks for joining us today as we explored these fantastic Orbit sanders. We hope this video helps you make an informed decision for your next project.